Today, I will introduce Realme Note 50. We not gonna make this video looks like other tech review type video. We just want to tell the key selling point about this phone. So, let's go. The phone has matte finish and glossy finish too. The camera area is glossy finish. And everything else is matte finish, which is not prone to fingerprints. The phone in solid color and box shape. The rear camera is copying the iPhone. The font of the camera dewdrop notch is used. The design of the low budget bezels have been tried to minimize as much as possible. HD plus resolution of 6.74-inch IPS display. Indoor brightness was good. Touch response is good. Brightness of the phone in outdoor condition is good. There is a little problem. As it has IP54 dust and amp water resistance, it will protect the phone well from light, dust and water splashes. Unisoc processor is used in all entry-level phones. Unisoc processor has a very good market for low-budget phones. Unisoc T612 processor is also used in this phone. 2 out of 8 cores, 1.8 GHz Cortex, A75, and remaining 6 Cortex, A55, and Mali G57 GPU are used. 4 GB RAM, and 128 GB ROM. There is Android 13, but it would be better if it was Android 14. They used their own UI. The UI was very nice and very lightweight. You can customize some things if you want. In terms of performance, it was very good. Now let's come to the camera part. The camera of the phone is only 13 megapixels, so you can think that it is going too much. But the picture output in this budget was very impressive. In the portrait pictures, the subject can be detected very well, but in some pictures, the color, exposure controller, dynamic range are not bad. Not good at this budget point, but it's okay. Very good details are available in good light condition, but not so good pictures are available. At night, there is a 5 megapixel camera in front, which is fine. The quality is good. Video will be 1080p at 30 fps, no stabilization, medium quality. So that's it. I think you will get the decision to make best purchase for you. And goodbye for now.